Today we are going to Target, and this is the most exciting thing I've done all week, so I'm gonna vlog it. No, I'm just kidding. I rephrased that. I had a birthday dinner with my new BFF, who I just met. That was the most exciting thing. I thought that was last week. Also, this outfit is sponsored by Henry's Closet. He lent me this tan hoodie and then this jacket that I gave him for Christmas, and my Sam's Angels boutique pants. So later I'll do an outfit of the day check because I think I'm looking fly over here. You know what I mean? We found these lamps that Isaiah, Henry's friend, told him about. They're $12 right now at Target. So they're really small, but they're really cute. And then I also found this, which I think I am gonna get. I don't know how much this is, so.
That's so funny.
Should I tell my vlog?
Yeah.
I ordered, what did I get? A barbecue brisket burger, right? With corn and a cob. But I'm Mexican, so I didn't know what cob meant. I thought it was like corn in a cup for the sweet corn, cob. But I got this big ass corn. I'm still gonna eat it. I still love corn, but... And then Henry was just laughing at my multicultural ass.
Your illiterate ass.
Shut up. Target run is over. We bought 2 lamps, a mat for Lola for her to drink stuff out of, and then we bought little plants. Well, we bought a big candle for the living room. Then we went to Chili's. We had a gift card from his grandpa from Christmas, so we got Chili's. It was actually really good, not gonna lie. And now we're on our way back home. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We ordered Lola a bed from Amazon. So it comes all compressed up, and then it's supposed to, like, you leave it out for like a day, I think, right? And then it like builds up.
You hear it?
Yeah, I guess it is compressed. Damn, look at that thing. Freak my god. This is big. Okay, so this goes inside.
Oh, okay, that's just the cover.
Like, yeah, like.
Pásame.
Okay.
Gracias.
Is it comfy?
Yeah, it's comfy.
It is, right? It's like 1 to 10, it's an 8 for like a human, which means it's a 10 or freaking 15 for a dog. We got it from Amazon. Compared to my feet, it's pretty big. Like, it's a big bed. We have a big dog, so. So this room's a mess. We're about to vacuum and clean. And this is my outfit of the day. Sam's Angels Boutique, Boho Man, and the Boohoo Man, and the jacket I had is also, no, the jacket I had is H&M, so. Okay, so right now I'm gonna vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum the hallway, I'm gonna vacuum our room, and after that, I'm just gonna tidy up our bedroom, and then I'm gonna work on some stuff. I still have to work, I have to edit an outfits video, and I have to do just some stuff from my boutique, and then I'll take the day off and watch some shows and stuff, so. here on the bed because I'm in a lazy mood. It's a Saturday, so it's just some like extra work I want to get in. So Henry's chair stays here for now, his gaming chair, because this is his gaming room for now. We also haven't found a spot for his working back, so right now this is just in the way, but that is just living for now.